大家应该都会想要。
反正下面的东西反正下面的东西是铁。
应该是。Right? These are hooked into the Seattle City grid for power, for sewer, and for water. And essentially, you buy the shadow of the home on the floor of the lake is what you're paying for taxes on these. Now, it's extremely expensive. In general, you pay about $1 million per bedroom, right? So a smaller place here, like a large one-bedroom apartment or home, would run you close to $1 million. And the most expensive one that we know of that sold was a 4-bedroom home that sold for $4.2 million. No more than 2 feet, but they do change throughout the year. We're at a high point right now, which makes us closer to the bridge. This bridge is so low that it is actually one of the most active bridges in the nation. It opens average 36 times every single day to allow boats to pass underneath it. We go under here, he's going to slow down a little bit, right to the middle of the channel, and you can stare right up through the grating and see cars go overhead. Yeah, I guess all the way to the ocean. Tidal changes. Fresh water still flow down from Washington.
哦，铁壳船哎。
The tides came all the way up to this point where we are right now. So all of this
here towards the locks, you'll actually see salmon who are returning back into the freshwater jump out of the water. There's several of them. Some of these salmon are probably 10 to 15 pounds. So keep your eye out, like watching it.
依然不喜欢这些海水跟咸水。哦，跳起来！对啊，哦，又跳起来！哦，又跳起来！
All the businesses that operate
哦，跳起来！对啊。哦。
really rely on things not changing that much. So that's why it's still waiting.
哦，跳起来！
To the far left of the
鲑鱼梯 （salmon ladder），
up and down.
对，它会让那个鲑鱼从那边跳上来这样子。应该是左边那个小的，我们明天也会看到，还有一个专门可以看的地方。哦，好，开出来，他们开出来。连续3艘开出来。好。好，我们进去啊。他们开出来了。鲑鱼梯在左边那边。
那我怎么过去啊？
过去哪里？你等下看啊，他把两边的水会关起来。
往那边走啊。
因为这边要关起来了。
那个，下来看。
Real quick, you'll notice the large locking chamber. They do have the mid chamber.
哦，下去了。对，我们下了。
sections. If they're using the full large locks, again, it's over 800 down, about 12 feet today.
哦，12尺哎，哦，你看，又往下。
Get up to 20 foot locking.
哦，还有20。
But going down 12 feet today, which is pretty impressive. Also, on to our right-hand side, that beautiful
要越远越就是潮汐的问题。我们今天就是大潮，对，就12平方很多。对，你看我们下来了，对，我们下来了。
Up to our left-hand side, you'll see the spillway dam and the salmon ladder. Again, great place to visit if you come here on foot.
哦，撞到。
If you decide to visit the locks on foot, they're open during daylight hours. And be sure to wave at all the lovely people that came here to watch you go through the locks today. You are the attraction. There you go.
好快啊！哎，我们下来了。
Most visited tourist attraction here in the city, right behind. Now you may have noticed your deckhand and tour guide Shannon. He tied up to a floating wall on either side of the boat. This is so that we don't have to tend to our lines while we're in the locks. If we were to go through the large locks, there is no floating wall, so you would have to pull in line or let line out.
开走啦！
那我回来会很
这是海啦，这是海呀。你看啊， 这是海边，这就是海水啦。
那边会不会再把它收回来？
收回来是什么意思？
就是把它再往上一点。
那如果有船进来，你看那边有船在等你再进来啊，等进来他就把水再装进来了。你看那边有多少船要等着再进来？
是我过去的时候，我别回头。我现在还没来这里。
明天我们会来这里，不过是开车来的，不会再坐船，对。
Those varicolored buildings, that is the future home of Expedia.com. In one more month, the very first employees will be moving in there. By the end of this year, they're expecting about 500 people on this campus. By the end of next year, about 4,500 people will be working at that campus. And ultimately, the campus can hold almost 10,000 employees. It is a walking, bike, sort of stuff. We also have Seattle-style beaches here. You can see them. They're little inlets covered with driftwood and rocks. It's what we call a beach in most areas of Seattle, folks. Not really a place where you'd like to lay out in the United States. And just over 450 parks in the city of Seattle.
450座公园在西雅图。
Now that hill was made famous by a couple of TV doctors you probably heard over the years.
然后有一个人就是那个市长，就是说他希望每一个人都可以，每个市民都有可以走路可以到的公园，所以他就是有空地就买下来，有空地有海边有空地就买下来。到了。
Cruises, and I'm glad you folks got to spend the last couple of hours with him. As he mentioned, he is the deckhand, like he's been doing for most of the trip. He's going to run down and prepare to tie the boat up. If you have any last-minute questions for Shannon or want to get recommendations, things to do or places to visit, places to go.